go. Slowly, and thought I was a cop. Alright guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, this will be a point of view or POV drive on our 2024 championship white Honda Civic Type-R FL5. We're going to this really cool spot here in California, or in the Bay Area. It's called Alice's Restaurant. There's a lot of windy roads. Anyways, let's go ahead and get going. Let's get gas first, and let's go for a drive. All right, guys, let's get some gas real quick. All right, this is our first time filling up the new Type-R. This should be fun. Damn, look at this car. This car just looks so super good, bro. Not gonna lie to you guys. If you guys are wondering what kind of POV I'm doing, I'm looking at this. I'm pretty sure you guys can see myself here. I'm also wearing a hat for more security. This car just looks super nice, bro. Not a lot of you guys. The front end is literally one of my favorite things here. What? That's it, $44.35. That is insane. And obviously 8 gallons. Okay, let's go enjoy this drive, y'all. Okay, this car just smells so good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The Type-R mode, which is actually one of my favorite ones, so it stiffens out your suspension, your handling, even your steering wheel actually gets stiffs out more too. And you have the deeper tone of the exhaust, which, by the way, later on, speaking of exhaust, we're gonna be doing some stuff with our exhaust, so please stay tuned on that one. Oh my goodness. Whew. Just listen to that. I'm gonna turn off AC and put the windows up, because if I put the windows down, yeah, I don't want you guys to be, yeah, I want you guys to hear how it sounds like inside. Ooh. I love the auto revs, bro. I love the auto revs. But let's listen to this. Oh my goodness. Ooh. This one just feels so smooth. Feel the body roll now. Wow. Damn. Okay, we're not gonna push it much, guys, since we haven't broken into the car yet. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the number for the break-in is 600 something, 600 miles, and we're barely 200 miles right now, y'all. So we're gonna take it a little bit easy, but also enjoy the drive. Let's go. love it. No cars today, guys. Oh yeah, this car is literally built for these roads. A cop. That's some good front wheel drive, baby. But the body roll definitely is there though. Finally, the Honda Accord. Let me pass through. Oops. Damn, this car for real wants to keep going. We are here at Alice's restaurant. This is one of the best spots to drive around here in Northern California, in the Bay Area, I would say. Again, so far, the drive on the way here, we're using this front wheel drive. It's insane, man. I love it. It's pretty cool. I love the front wheel drive. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, it has a body roll, but the body roll is not too much. All right, this place is literally the go-to place for the restaurants. If you guys like cars and if you guys want to drive, you guys want to check out Alice's restaurant here in La Honda. All right, I just had to use the bathroom for a bit, but we are now heading out. We're going to the second location. We're gonna be taking a few photos there. This is gonna be fun. That is a really nice 911 right there, you guys. That's a nice 911. Let's hear how these guys sound actually. It's a GT3. Definitely sounds pretty good, y'all. This should be fun. This car is fast. Wow, that is so good. Oh my goodness, I love this Honda Civic Type-R, you guys. Hey, that truck's also hamming out too. Haha, that's crazy. Holy crap, this car is fast. Got some dope tires too, I'm not gonna lie. I think this car has like PS4 or something, Michelin. I think this car's got some Michelin tires. Oof, yeah. So now for us, we sell parts for those cars, by the way, you guys. If you guys want to check us out, if you have a FRS or BRZ or FA20 or FA24, let us know, or even the EJs, we sell parts for those. Shout out to privatelabelmanufacturing.com, where we sell quality parts and our services are always top notch. Check us out. We pulled over at this one spot. This is a really cool spot to take photos, so I'm gonna take a few photos here. Before anything, make sure the keys are with me. So I've already taken my photos, taken some videos. Actually, let's take another one just in case. Ooh, it's getting a little bit darker, so we gotta go. The road is definitely a little bit slippery, you guys. Let's take it easy here now. Ish. Nice M2. Yeah. Definitely grew on me. Feels so good. I love it. I love it. Woo! That is crazy. Look at that. Sheesh. Put the windows down a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yes. All right, let's go down. Enjoy the sunset a little bit. Wow, look at this place, dog. I'm gonna enjoy this moment real quick, you guys. This is lovely. Oh my goodness, guys, look how nice that is. You can literally see the, I mean, on this section right here, you can see the whole coast, bro. That is lovely, and the sunset is just perfect, y'all. But I'm gonna take more videos of you guys. Check this out. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. We will be heading back to the city right now, which is San Francisco. I really hope you guys can hear me right now, though. Literally just parked by the highway, bro. This is Highway 1, by the way, you guys, okay? So this is the coast. This is California coast, bro. I'm gonna just go enjoy the drive on the way back to the city. Probably gonna get some food. We still got a lot of gas, bro. I might film a few here and there. Oh, hey, sorry to cut you off in there, but if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for watching the whole POV vlog. It was definitely fun driving the FL5 Type-R. Please stay tuned for the next more videos. We have so much more content and also parts from PLM that we will be installing pretty soon, and I'll be documenting those for you guys, all right? And shout out to PLM, privatelabelmanufacturing.com, where we sell quality parts and our services are top notch. Make sure to watch our PLM videos. It's gonna be somewhere here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, make sure to give it a like, somewhere here, smash that like button, and also subscribe for more. We got so much more content, all right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.